Today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to do paper squishies. This is my sister. So yeah, here is the thing you will need. A piece of paper or cardboard. I'm using cardboard because I'm not gonna design my squishy. And the tape, I'm using this brown tape. I'm not using a clear tape because if I use the but it's okay if I use. I just want this cause I'm not going to cause I'm not going to design this paper my squishing. Yeah, and the next one is a cotton or stuff. Um, by the way, this is optional. Plastic bag, plastic or anything that your squish, anything that you can put your squishy in. Lastly, you need some scissors. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is to take your paper or your cardboard and cut it. Cut it. Cut a circle or a square because anything would do like shapes or you can cut. I mean you can draw like Hello Kitty and then just cut. I'm gonna cut with okay. By the way, I like Chocolate here. That is my fans. All of the Dance Moms member is my favorite. Okay, I got. She's kept on speaking. I just got this side. Yeah, and excuse me. And then the next one is is we're gonna just kind of cut our tape and then put this to the side. Dog makes me stuffings. Konnichiwa. And then just cut it here. So it would be like this. And then here. Just cut. Oh no. Yeah. Just put it here. So yeah. And then now I'm gonna put my stuffing cotton. yeah. Wait, can I take it out? Yeah. Sorry, cause I keep on stopping the camera. Ouch! I need to cut my nails because it's too long. Okay. Oh no! Oh. By the way, please follow me on Musical.ly. My name there is Stephanie Angela Laes Magsito. And follow my mom here. Lederal, she like Mulch. You know why it's different last name? Because Magsino is to my real dad and she like Mulch is to my stepdad. Because I had my stepdad. That's why. Wait. I don't have Instagram. I don't have it. Just Musical.ly. 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 Okay. So there is more. So now I'm gonna put it here. Oh! Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna put it here. I'm done. By the way, you can put a tag here and we're not yet done. We're gonna go downstairs and put it in the fridge. And here, this is our refrigerator, and here down there is a freezer, and I'm gonna put it in a freezer, not here, because this is full. So let's go back upstairs. You can put in the freezer for I think 1 hour, 25 minutes. Yeah, that's good. So if you like, by the way, like my video, subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly. Thanks for watching.